In this video, we will learn how to remove background perfectly with cloud detail result in Photoshop. First, we click on the window menu. Then click on the contextual text bar. Now click on remove background. You can see that our background has been removed, but it has not been perfectly removed. Let's remove the background perfectly. Click on the edit menu. Go to preference. Click on image processing. Then click on this drop down box. Select cloud detail result. Click on the OK button. Now click on remove background. You can see that the background has been perfectly removed. Thanks for watching the video.